Hello everyone, welcome to Malik Joe 34 channel. This is Malik Arjun. In this today's session, I'm going to show you demo 2 on performing the hard backup and demo 3 on recovering your database using hard backup when you lose your data files. So if you see my previous demo, that was about cold backup and restore. So this is a complete series of backup and recovery. So in my first session, we discussed about theoretical part about different backups and recovery methodologies and various backup tools and consistent, inconsistent backup and consistent and inconsistent recovery. Hard backup, cold backup, everything we discussed from the first session, and then we covered one live demonstration on cold backup and recovery, and now we are starting with the hard backup and recovery. And then when I do hard backup performance, and then I will simulate a failure by deleting the data files, and then we'll show you a demonstration how to recover it. And first of all, if you are new to my channel, I request you to go back to YouTube and please do subscribe Malik034 sub channel. And if you like my videos, please share, like, and comment. Starting with the demo 2, performing the hard backup. So DB must be up and running. So and no downtime required. And then put database in begin backup mode and take a backup of all your data files. So if you see, I have already my hot backup location, use your own backup hot, and then my dev database is running, and this is database. So now I'm trying to put my database in hot backup, alter database begin backup, right? So now I'm checking backup status, right? It's active, and then I will just to verify my control file location, data file location. These are my control file, and these are my data files. Right, fine. Now what I'll do, copy all your files at OS level to hard backup location, put database and backup mode. So what I'll do, I will just exit. I will just go to this location, and then I will just copy star to my user on backup hot. This is my hard backup location. I will copy here. Let it copy. Okay, copy is done. Just to verify, I will go to my hard backup location. Then just verify it. Okay, all my backup is, all the data files are backed up. What I'll do now, and then I will and I'll cancel my backup. uh, the command is alter database and backup. I'll connect back to my database, alter database and backup, and then I will check for backup status. Okay, select distinct status from with other backup not active, so I did end backup, and then switch log files, alter system switch log files. I'll do 3-4 switch log files. Okay, so then I will take a backup of arclog parameter. So parameter recovery, this is my FRA. I'll go into my FRA and devdb and arclog. Okay, I'll copy both all the arclog cp star cp-r star to my user one backup hot backup. Right, copy done. If I go back, so yeah, my arclogs are here. So now the backup is done. So now I'm going back to my slide. Hot backup is done. So now I'm going to demonstrate by creating some failures. I already have my backup location, all my data file location, delete all data files. So my database is still up and running. If you see here, I already connected. My instance also is up and running. So I already have my data file location already queried here. I will I will just remove this I'm going to simulate the failure now. Delete all the data files at the OS level. I'm going to delete it here from this other terminal. For that, I'm going to here and then I will do rm-rf. I'm just deleting all my data files. Okay, I have deleted, and now database is still up and running, but it will not be accessible. If I try to connect, and then if you see here, like even though I connected to this database instance, I'm not able to do anything. Create database, create table. It will say it is not able to connect. I'll just exit back and I'll connect back again, and then I try to create table. Okay, alter system switch log file, right? So if I try to create anything, because my system table space or system data file is not available, user data file is not available, and nothing is available. So that's why I cannot do any operations. What I'll do, I'll kill my instance, or else I can do shutdown abort. Shut abort. Okay, instance is down. If I do, my instance is went down now. So now what I'll do, shut down your database or kill OS or shut abort, and copy or restore all the data files from hard backup to the data file location. So now I know my data file location. This is my data file location, and already have my hard backup here. These are my hard backup. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy everything, cp star.tbf to my actual backup location. Okay, so all my data files are restored back to my original location, and then after copying, I will do startup mount, and then I will do recover database. So plus startup mount, because I have my p file ready, and also control file is ready, so I can go till mount. Okay, so then I'll do recover database. So recover database, what you can do, it should be either until cancel or until auto. Because these are the log files were not copied yet. I will just mention auto. So media recovery completed. I did the recover database, and then all archologs are available. It applied all the archologs, and then it asked me whether it is going to be cancel or auto. I just mentioned auto. Media recovery completed. And now I will start my database. Alter database open. So here if you observe, no need to restore your control file, or no need to open database with the reset log, because our control file, we have still our original control file. Here the scenario is only we lost our data files, and then we restored our data files with whatever we have taken with the hard backup. So now database is open. So that is about hard backup recovery, when in case of if you lose your data files. And then I will start with my the fourth demonstration on RMAN. Thank you guys.